This master program in stroke medicine offers a unique opportunity to take your expertise to the next level. A faculty of world-leading stroke experts will provide lectures, seminars and workshops covering the entire field of stroke medicine. The program has been developed at the Stroke Centre at the University Hospital Bern in close cooperation with the European Stroke Organisation, ESO. The program features a modern professional learning platform and the utmost flexibility and organisation regarding teaching methods. During the 3 weeks of on-site teaching, students will have the opportunity to connect with an international community, unforgettable impressions from the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and our social program will complete your time in Bern.
The Stroke Center of Bern has a long-standing expertise in education, from which many stroke physicians, including myself, profited extremely.
Since 1992, the Stroke Center Bern plays a pioneering role in stroke medicine. Furthermore, the Stroke Center Bern is a leading academic center promoting evidence-based stroke treatment by performing large-scale randomized controlled trials.
The Stroke Center has a long tradition of hosting international events such as the Winter School, which were highly appreciated around the world between neurologists, neuroradiologists. Therefore, it's natural that the Angel Initiative support this program.
The program builds on experience from a highly successful ESO Stroke Master program in Krems, Austria, and now takes this program one step further. The new program is heavily supported by the European Stroke Organization with an active role of multiple ESO experts as faculty. Graduates of the Stroke Master will be optimally prepared for a successful career in stroke medicine.
Become part of an international community and apply now for the Master of Advanced Studies Stroke